All right, so this is solve quad 7, number 8. 6 minus I square root of 2 all over 6 plus I square root of 2. So you're going to attack this problem just like you would any other problem. There's addition or subtraction in the denominator, so you're going to have to multiply by its complex conjugate. So I'm going to multiply by 6 minus I square root of 2 all over 6 minus I square root of 2. Now, the only thing that's really difficult about this one is that the algebra gets a little bit messy, but let's just go ahead and continue. So again, I need to FOIL my numerator. So 6 times 6 will be 36. 6 times negative I squared root of 2 is going to be negative 6I square root of 2. And then negative I square root of 2 times 6 will be negative 6I square root of 2. And negative I squared root of 2 times negative I squared root of 2 will be positive 2I squared. Because a negative times a negative is a positive. The square root of 2 times the square root of 2 is just 2. And I times I is I squared. I'm not going to simplify that yet. Let's kind of continue on and then we'll simplify in a minute. In my denominator, I know these are complex conjugates, so all I really have to do is square the first term, square the second term, and put a subtraction sign in between. So if I square the first term, I'm going to get 36. If I square this second term, I'm going to get simply 2I squared, and I'm going to put a subtraction sign in between. Now that I've done all of that, now let's start simplifying. So I have 36. I can combine these like terms. It'll be minus 12I square root of 2. And this I squared is really negative 1, so this will be minus 2. In the denominator, this I squared is negative 1, so this will become 36 minus 2 times negative 1. So 36 plus 2, which would be 38. Whoops, I'm going to move down here. And then I can combine these two like terms. So 36 minus 2 would be 34 minus 12I times the square root of 2 all over 38. But I can continue simplifying because each one of these can be divisible by 2. I'm going to move this down again. So I'm going to get 17 minus 6I square root of 2 all over 19. And so now this is simplified, but now I have to put it in the a plus bi form. So it'll be 17 over 19 minus 6 square root of 2 all over 19i. And then you have your final answer.